Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're looking at something you probably throw away all the time, the bread clip.
Right, the little plastic thing.
Exactly. But what if it wasn't plastic? What if it was like titanium?
Ah, okay, so you saw that review. County Comms Forever TI bread clip.
Yeah, the Savage Reviews piece. It was fascinating. So our mission today is sort of exploring this weird crossing point of serious engineering, niche markets, and honestly kind of a wild backstory for such a tiny thing.
It really is.
Is it, genuine everyday carry gear, or is just a super expensive thing to talk about?
Well, let's break it down. It is grade 5 titanium alloy,
Okay.
machined exactly like a plastic clip.
Hmm.
Super light, like 0.3 ounces, tiny.
Uh-huh.
And the price. For a 2-pack, you're looking at about $15.
$15 for two. Okay, hold on.
Yeah.
Regular plastic clips, they cost what, maybe a cent each if you buy a ton?
Pretty much, yeah. Maybe less.
So this titanium one, that's like a 3,000% markup, something like that.
Easily. You could literally get like 10,000 plastic ones for the price of these 2 titanium clips.
Right. So why? I mean, that's the immediate question, isn't it? Why make this? Who wants this?
And the why gets, well, it gets interesting. There's this origin story.
Oh, yeah.
Apparently, even the company, County Comm, thought it was a bit nuts. But they said it was requested by, get this, a military contact
Military? For what?
for classified sandwich operations.
Okay, stop. Classified sandwich operations. What does that even mean?
Your guess is as good as mine.
I'm picturing like tactical lunch buses, but okay, jokes aside. Is there actual like real engineering here? You said grade 5 titanium?
Oh, absolutely. That's serious stuff. Ti 6AL4V. It's what they use in aircraft parts, medical implants.
So proper high-tech material.
Definitely. It's super strong for its weight, doesn't corrode, it's biocompatible.
Okay.
And it has, really good springiness. So the clamping force stays consistent. Plus, it won't break down in sunlight or extreme heat like plastic eventually does.
So it would survive conditions that just melt a normal clip.
Totally. It's overkill, obviously, for a loaf of bread.
Right. So if it's not really about keeping bread fresher for longer, how do they sell it? How do they market this level of overkill?
Ah, well, they're smart. They aim it squarely at the EDC crowd. Every day, Carrie.
Okay, the gear enthusiasts.
Exactly. They position it as this versatile little tool, use it as a cable tie, maybe a zipper pull. They even just using it as like a unique marker for your champagne glass at a party.
A champagne glass marker.
Right. You can also heat anodize them to get cool custom colors. They won't set off metal detectors. And theoretically, they'll last forever.
So the pitch isn't better bread storage, it's own this cool piece of titanium engineering.
Pretty much. It's exclusivity. It's
Yeah.
for people who appreciate titanium just because it is titanium.
Yep.
That whole over-engineered vibe is the appeal. It's like a little secret handshake for gearheads.
I see. And how do people, actually react? The users, you mentioned there's a split.
Oh, yeah. Big time. You've got the EDC folks online posting pictures saying, finally a bread clip worthy of my setup. They love the novelty, the build quality, the whole story.
They're all in.
Totally. But then you have the more practical people just going, $15 for a bread clip? Are you serious?
Yeah, I can see that side too.
A lot of reviewers basically say they use it more as a conversation starter, something interesting to show people, rather than just, closing a bread bag.
So it's about owning something unnecessarily premium, something unique.
Exactly. That's the appeal. It's a little badge of appreciation for extreme design, even on the most mundane thing.
So wrapping this up, we've basically seen how a simple disposable item gets turned into this symbol of engineering skill and, well, niche luxury.
Yeah, it really makes you think, doesn't it? Where does practical need stop? And just appreciating the material, the craft.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe even the sort of playful absurdity of it all. Where does that begin?
Mm-hmm.
It kind of begs the question, what other everyday things could get this super premium, almost ridiculous treatment just for the sake of making something? Exquisitely.
Definitely something to think about next time you reach for the bread.